Hi guys, welcome back. So here we'll talk about top engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh. So today I'm gonna cover about the Madhya Pradesh and the engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh. So let's know more about Madhya Pradesh. It's basically the state in the central India and the capital is Bhopal and the largest city in Madhya Pradesh is Indore. Madhya Pradesh is also known as the heart of India due to its geographical location in India, which is like Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in the country by area and as well as the fifth largest state in the India by population. So there are many cities in MP, that is Indore, Bhopal, Singoli, Konta, Ujjain and so on. So here I'll be talking about top 10 engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh. So that was just about Madhya Pradesh. Moving next to top engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh. So the very first name I have is your IIT Indore, that is Indian Institute of Technology situated at Indore. So I don't think so I have to say something about IIT. IIT is renowned in itself and the BTech course provided in the IIT is offered at 4,38,400 cost, and basically the intake of this IIT Indore is taken on the rank of JEE Advanced. So you have to clear JEE Mains as well as you have to clear your JEE Advanced in order to get admission in your IIT Indore. So that was number one, IIT Indore. Moving ahead, next we have is your ITM University, that is ITM University, which is situated in Gwalior. Gwalior is the next famous city when it comes to MP, Madhya Pradesh, and this university is considered as an educational institute that provides cooperative atmosphere and enriching opportunities. There are various kinds of ranking provided by the NIRF to IITM, and the core fees for the integrated courses approx 7,30,000, whereas if you are going for the individual BTech course then it will cost you 5,85,000 in amount. So that was all about your IITM University, which is situated in Gwalior. So that was second IITM University. Moving ahead, at third I have Techno Global University. Techno Global University is also known as TGU and it is situated in Vidisha, and which is an autonomous university, and it's a part, basically this Techno Global University is a part of Techno Indian Group, which is situated in your Latri Road of your Vidishi, which is quite near to your railway station. So accessibility to the railway station is quite easy. The BTech provided over here cost approx 80, which is quite affordable, and apart from that it just mainly asks for your JEE Mains ranks and equivalent percentage in your 12th. So a student should have your JEE Main in order to apply for this university. So I am telling you again guys, do not miss your JEE Mains, because JEE Mains is asked by so many of your universities in all over India. So then next comes your Techno Global University, which is also asking your JEE Main score for the admission in that Techno Global University. So that was number 3, Techno Global University. Moving ahead, we have number 4, Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, that is SVVV, which is located in your Indore, and it's an autonomous university having approx 200 plus students, and this university is approved by AICTE. There are various engineering branches being provided by this university. That as you can see, these are the various kinds of branches, various kinds of fields provided in BTech by Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya. Apart from that, BTech cost over here is 3,07,000, and the top recruiting companies which pick their students, which pick their future employees from Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya are Infosys, HSBC, Centel, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, and so big names. So that was number 4, Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya. At number 5 I have Rewa Engineering College. Moving to Rewa Engineering College, Rewa is another famous city when it comes to Madhya Pradesh, and it is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, and it's having amazing campus when it comes to your infrastructure. It's quite professional and believes in urban teaching style. Extracurricular activities provides a platform for the students to get international exposure in Rewa Engineering of College. That was Rewa Engineering College at number 5. Moving ahead, at number 6 we have Babulal Tarabai Institute of Research and Technology, also known as BTI-RT. This BTI-RT is situated in Sironja and is again affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya University with Bhopal. It's basically a private engineering college which provides BTech and MTech degrees. The cost for the BTech course is approx 1,91,200, which is quite affordable. Like till so far we have seen so many colleges, and this amount of the college looks quite fine, quite affordable. Apart from that, here if you have missed your JEE mains, then you need not have to worry. Just you have to give your MPPET, that is the Madhya Pradesh takes its entrance exam separately. So in this Babulal Tarabhai Institute of Research and Technology, that MP score, MP entrance exam score is quite valid, quite mandate, and you should have a domicile of MP as well, Madhya Pradesh, in order to apply to this Babulal Tarabhai Institute of Research and Technology, which is located in Sironja. So that was number 6, Babulal Tarabhai. Moving ahead, number 7, I have Alpine Institute of Technology. Alpine Institute of Technology is situated in Ujjain and again is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya. The course fee is approx 1,84,000 and again MPPET course, MPPET exam has been asked for the interest, for the eligibility in order to take admission in your Alpine Institute of Technology. The interesting thing about Alpine Institute of Technology is that this college has a lush green campus with the advanced facilities for the students studying over here. So that was all about Alpine. Moving ahead, at number 8 I have Engineering College Nowgan. Engineering College Nowgan is situated in Chhatarpur of Bhopal itself, and again it's affiliated by Rajiv Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya. This exam basically is totally funded by the government of MP and has a decent placement record. It's good in infrastructure and placement. It has gained its aura outside the country as well. So that was your Engineering College Nowgan. Moving ahead, next we have your Military College of Telecommunication and Engineering. Military College of Telecommunication Engineering is the training institute for the Corps of Signal for Indian Army. It is situated in Dr. Ambedkar Nagar in Madhya Pradesh. This place is very amazing with the ample of green trees and area which gives a total natural feel. Not only this, institute has its own library as well, which is accessed by many students. So that was all about Military College of Telecommunication Engineering. At last I have People's College of Research and Technology. Talking about People's College of Research and Technology, it is situated in Bhopal of Madhya Pradesh and it is affiliated by Rajiv Gandhi Technical University. The cost for the BTech course is approx 2,53,500. Apart from that, various placement services are being provided. The top companies which recruit People's College of Research and Technology students are HCL, Doordarshan, NTPC, Bell, Softcon and so on. So that was all about People's College of Engineering. Moving back to our list, we have covered all the top 10 names of the top engineering colleges when it comes to Madhya Pradesh. So we'll just summarize all of them. That is it. The first is your IIT Indore, second is your ITM University Gwalior, Techno Global University at Vidisha, followed by Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, followed by Rewa Engineering College at Rewa, and coming to your Babulal Tarabhai Institute of Research and Technology, which is situated in Sironja, followed by Alpine Institute of Technology in Ujjain, followed by Engineering College Nowgan Chhatarpur, followed by Military College of Telecommunication Engineering at MP, summing up with the People's College of Research and Technology at your Bhopal. So those were all 10 names which comes to your top engineering colleges in Madhya Pradesh. So thank you for watching the video, guys. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. So that was all for the video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.